All right, everybody, really quick update. Wish I was coming to you on a better occasion, but we have a crazy downward spike here in the crypto market. We're going to just be addressing Bitcoin right now and talking about the overall market, since obviously a lot of the altcoins we talk about and just altcoins in general will hinge on the success of Bitcoin. So really quick, just want to talk about really what everyone cares about, which is what are the key levels to keep our bull market intact? What is the key level for this week that we need to close above to maintain that? And then what is our outlook short term? So let's get right into it. Just to kind of cover really briefly, the movement that we had just here a couple weeks ago. We essentially came up here, 3 nice green weekly candles, and then we had a tough resistance here at 65, which is pretty expected. It's right up on that fib, and we had tested it previously. So we tested it twice over the course of the year, and then just the last little bit here, we tested that 65 number right there. So when we didn't hit that and didn't close a weekly above that, we had to come down again here and try to close that weekly above the 57-ish level. And then when we tried to find support there, we did not. We end up not closing the weekly and coming down past here, past 51, and then also finding and tapping 46 right here. And we saw everyone has seen this kind of crazy wick down to 43 as well. So that's kind of what happened and how we got here. But just kind of want to talk about the key levels. So to make sure that our uptrend kind of stays intact, we want to make sure that this weekly candle, the next week, that we are actually closing above 43. Okay, 43K is the golden number right now. We need to close this weekly candle above 43K to maintain our uptrend here in this channel. If not, we're gonna fall back down and maybe test 37. And then, that's really when, things are gonna start to get pretty concerning. So right now, really, you guys need to focus on 43K here in the short term, this week specifically. In terms of what would, a kind of bear market signal look like, or a bear market number look like, really what you're watching out for is going to be this kind of previous locked in support here at about 31, 32K. So between this area right here, this kind of purple rectangle, if we break below this, our bull market is over. That would likely be a beginning of a bear market. So if we fall below, 32, 31, 33, right around here, this is going to be, where the bull market would end, essentially, is what we'd expect. So just really quickly, we need the weekly candle to close above 43K. We're hoping that it closes above 47K. That would be the most ideal weekly close. If we close above 47K, this is kind of like, a blip on the radar. If we, just barely close above 43, that just barely keeps our uptrend intact. I'd love to see it close above 47 this week. It's going to be really hard to do at this point, but would love to see that. If we can maintain it above 43, that's kind of what we're looking for. Anyway, wanted to make this quick, short, and sweet. Hopefully this helps you guys. No need to panic so far. Really, like I said, can't stress it enough. 43K is huge. And then, absolute bear market panic would ensue, 30, 31K. We'd expect a bear market reversal from the bull. So those are the key levels to watch. Hope this kind of helps. Don't worry, too much right now. No need to stress. But we do have some work to do in crypto and specifically Bitcoin. So thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will come to you guys with another video on TA and another crypto shortly. Thanks.